Sunlight floods a pristine kitchen as Sarah, apron-clad, stands poised at the stove, a picture of serene focus. Ghee shimmers in the pan, ready to receive its fragrant offering. Her hands, steady and sure, add cardamom, cloves, cinnamon. A symphony of spices begins. The spices sizzle and dance in the hot ghee, releasing a fragrant cloud that fills the kitchen. Sarah stirs delicately, her face glowing in the warm light, lost in the ritual of cooking. Sarah stirs finely chopped onions in a pan, their edges turning a delicate golden brown. She adds ginger garlic paste, its pungent aroma mingling with the sweet scent of caramelized onions. A vibrant mix of turmeric, chili, and coriander swirls into the pan, painting the sauce with rich color. Tomato puree joins the dance, simmering gently as the kitchen fills with a warm, inviting fragrance. In the kitchen, Sarah delicately places fresh paneer cubes into the simmering sauce, ensuring each piece is perfectly coated. She pours a generous stream of cream, watching as it transforms the sauce into a velvety dream. With gentle stirs, she coaxes the ingredients, creating a shahi paneer. A sprinkle of freshly chopped cilantro adds a burst of color. She finishes with an artful swirl of cream, the dish now a masterpiece of culinary delight. The finished shahi paneer sends fragrant tendrils of steam. A gentle smile graces Sarah's face,